So what made you decide to do a skills bootcamp, and how did you feel that? What took you, what was your journey to that and making that decision?
So I came out of Fab Labs and Makerspaces. I used to run co-working spaces in central Manchester as well. I understand like small workshops on the scale of a few users building, like working with laser cutters and 3D printers at that scale. But when it comes to much larger manufacturing, as I was saying, I've kind of struggled to work with aerospace manufacturers to get the information I need to work out how to construct like production lines, how to even how do you even approach this? What technology goes into it? And part of that whole skills bootcamp, alongside being recommended by the local hackspace, Manchester Hackspace.
Yes.
I saw a lot of value in that because obviously you guys have experience with that. There's a lot of information in that skills bootcamp about how to set up production lines, what goes into it, how do you do safety gating for all your robotics. Like that was all really key information for me going forward when we scale up to that scale.
You had quite a bit of knowledge already, but I think it just helped me take that step up to the terminology and processes, the bigger, more industrial processes. It's really good to understand that, because that's great feedback. That ability to, there may be a core knowledge, but then you can build on that into industrial processes.
Well, that's it. Now I can look at, because I think there is a lot of information out there about like jet production lines and about like spacecraft satellites. But now I can look at something more critically and say like, well, okay, well, this is how they're approaching that, and this is how they're breaking it down into stepwise processes, and I have a much better understanding looking at something.
There's some really great best practice in that for how those production processes work around, say, automotive, that we can really use that best practice in the space sector and the aerospace sector.